Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. It is time to flip through August. So let me show you what I have. I'm going to be flipping through 4 planners. So here we go. I'm going to start with my social media. This is called a Simply Layout, and it is vibrant, wild and vibrant. At this point, it's outdated, so I've been redating it. So let's go into August and let me show you what it is. So this is my August currently. I did it on a blank page. This was made with a sticker book from Easter Case. It is called Desert's Journey. I love this book. So that's what this is from. I really did like it. I do track my 4 top videos for the month in here. Then this is my YouTube schedule. Yeah, I try to keep up with this. So this is what it looks like. I decorated these flowers are from Etsy, and I really love how this came out. These are little dots that come on like a washi. So that's what I use here. This page is from Floral Fantasy or Floral Fantasy Language or Flower Language, something like that, from Easter Case. This one is from Etsy. This is Live Love Posh and black and white sticker book from Easter Case. So I took the flowers from Live Love Posh. This is in a blue book, and then I took the black images and overlaid them on top. They are clear on those from Easter Case. That book is called Black and White. This one is from Rainbow Florals from Calva Plan. Kind of a fun one, very, very bright. This one is from Daily Florals too. This planner is getting very, very full. From Calva Plan, and I really do like how this turned out. By the way, these pages here are from Live Love Posh. They're just quads. So that's what I've been using to kind of keep track of my schedule and stuff. And then I didn't have a week for this one since like I said, I am redating this planner. So I just use these quads and no big deal. And then this is my September currently. I love how that one came out. And then I added some videos ideas on the other page. So that one is my social media. Like I said, nothing too crazy. I do not even film these, so that's what it is. Next up is Cooking 101. It is a meal planner from Live Love Posh. Not from the Happy Planner, you guys. Okay, so August. This is my currently. This is from. All of these stickers are from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop, Charmed Life. Then this one is Crafty Planner Queen called Orange You Beautiful. So orange with the color. And these are my recipe ideas and my grocery list. Then we have Crafty Planner Queen again. This is a birthday. This was my boyfriend's birthday week. So I created this spread for him. Nothing major here. I haven't started meal planning in detail here yet. So this one is, both of these stickers are from Easter Case. One is a floral garden, one is black and white sticker book. You guys seen this? I'm gonna put like a little wedding picture here. Then this is where I got a lot more detail. This is Calva Plan, Daily Florals, and Verse Planning the doll. And as you can see, I started making protein boxes and a little bit more detail in here. Same thing here. This is the Song of Time from Easter Case. It's super lovely if you like harvest time and stuff like that. That was a good book. And I think this is my favorite spread. This one, and this one are like very near and dear to my heart. This I used a lot of different things. So I used Crafty Planner Queen Stargazing. I used Calva Plan. I used Verse Planning. And again, very, very detailed. So, and then this is the September currently. So not a big deal. So what I do in my currently is Toa's food and top 3 meals. So that is my meal planner. Next up is, let's see, should be here, right? Yeah. Okay, yeah, this is August. Sorry, guys. So, lose 5 pounds, did journal, yep. Walk daily, I did not. Keep up with the house, yep. And me time, I did that. So, this is from Cosmetic Plans from her book. That came out really, really cute. I did not expect to love this as much as I do. Then this one is Groovy Desert from Crafty Planner Queen. I just love her stickers. I think they're so fun. Then this one is called Tropical Abstracts from Cosmetic Plans. She has these swatches of colors that you can just put in and like do all of these like black things that she included. So these are layered on top of that swatch. And I think this came out super, super cute. Nothing major here. Oh, I listed snacks up here, but nothing overly major. This is Charming Little Life from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. I really do adore this one with the city and kind of all of the florals still there. A little Westy with a girl walking. I just love it. And this one is Verse Planning, Plant Babe, and Botanist Babe from Live Love Posh. Those 2 books plus the girl from Verse Planning. And I do love how this came out. It was very like plant oriented, food is fuel. I don't know, not much out of there. This one is so fun, you guys. Okay, so look what this looks like. These are little veggie houses. So we have a broccoli, we have a bell pepper, we have a cauliflower, oh, bell pepper, lettuce, sweet pea, I don't know what this is. It might be zucchini. Yeah, but that was so fun. And I found matching dots from the Zig company. And I was able to make matching dots. And that came out super cute. That makes me happy. This is again from Crafty Planner Queen. It's called Active Beauty. Her stickers are just stunning. I wanted to use the whole sheet. And I did. And it came out really, really good. And then this is my currently for September. I still have to set up my goals, but yeah, it's practically there. And then last but not least, well, last and least, I guess, this is my catch-all, just called Deep or Moody Florals. And this page was created with multiple things. So JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop, Mojo Jojo, and then black and white sticker book. I did color in all the green. And let's see, celebrating birthdays, cooking healthy meals, manifesting health, crafting lots of stickers, reading The Memory of Us. That was such a good book, you guys. Buying mostly stuff for Toa, planning time off, loving elegant Toa, prioritizing health and naps. This, you guys, was one of my favorite spreads in a very long time. I loved it so much. I've been getting a groove into my spreads where I am loving them. So lots of things going on. We had birthdays. I had LASIK. I had hair appointment, couple dinners. It was really, really great. The flowers are from Easter Case. The girls are from Verse Planning. This is the, I think, high tea stickers. Then this is such a cool spread too. It's a really, really pretty girl in like a skirt and a hat. And I just created stuff all around it. Best is yet to come. Summer, sunny day. It obviously looks quite different after I have put in all the pen. So I really do like how this looks. But yeah, this was a fun spread for me. This one is again one that is like joined. So it's a blue floral butterfly, and I did a whole monochrome blue spread, adult nap, LASIK surgery, sushi date, a lot of fun stuff. Then this was my nephew's birthday, so I created a children's spread, and I loved how that came out. So this little nugget here is from Etsy, and then the florals are from Calva Plan, and then this is from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. Out of her Paris thing, I just took the balloon and I said, "Hey Jax, happy birthday!" So, and I did put car oil change 10 a.m. because I had plans that day and I ran out of space to write. But yeah, that was a busy week for us. Then this one was a fun one as well. This was Girl Strip from Crafty Planner Queen. And then as I was writing, I was adding stuff from Calva Plan from the Daily Florals. I added some flowers to add a pop of color here. I also added a couple headers that I highlighted with yellow. And I think that actually worked out really well. This is a washi that I just put into the boxes, and I think that made a big difference. But yeah, that was definitely a fun spread for me. Catch flights, not feelings. Oh, I was finished reading Fourth Wing. Weekend with my sister that came to help on my home. Yeah, stuff like that. And then this is the last spread of August, and I wanted kind of like a lake day spread. So I found this image on Etsy. It's meant for a canvas, and it's this beautiful lake. And then I used the Daily Florals from Calva Plan yet again, and her sticker boxes and stuff, and just created this. So I had girls' night out. I had a her appointment. I filmed videos. We cleaned. It was a lot of stuff. And then this is my September currently page. It's all about the coffee. So we have caramel macchiato, vanilla mocha, and I put currently that way. And these little prompts are from Mojo Jojo. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, let me know. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love if you did that. And I'll see you guys soon for another plan with me. Bye.